How to turn off mail categories on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place. Once you're here, go to Mailboxes. Then, go to Inbox as shown. You can view all your mails over here. As you can see, you can find all the different mail categories such as primary, transactions, updates, promotions and more. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, select the List View option. You have successfully turned off all the mail categories and can now view all your mails in one place. Following these steps, you can easily turn off mail categories on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.